So I just finished my first wash, or actually this is my second wash, with the Cleanonic Earth Wash. This was gifted to me from the brand, but it's always a good honest for you. So I'm going to show you what I normally use. I use this huge Kirkland's laundry detergent, but that's why I want to try this, because if I'm ever traveling, I do like to hand wash some stuff, especially like I have young kids and hand washing is definitely key. So that's why I wanted to show you this. So first off, I love that this has the clean laundry scent. I know sometimes people love fragrance free, but I do love fragrance. So these are the pads. So you kind of have to think of it as like the normal like powder detergent, but just almost like compressed. But it's super easy to rip, and you could just throw this like in like a Ziploc bag and really travel with this and be super friendly. So there's kind of different ways you can rip this up and put it in like that. That's how I've been doing it, just because I don't know. But there's a few different recommends. It'll tell you like do half of it for like a small load. You could do a quarter of it even for hand washing. But as you can see, it's super easy to rip. So it's not the texture of paper. It kind of feels a smidge waxy on the back, but nothing crazy. And let's see if we see any bits. I did put these in my washer, and we're going to see. So let's take everything off. And the one thing too, these are great if you don't want to carry bottles. You don't want to have a lot of extra waste. You live in an apartment building and you don't want to carry huge bottles of detergent. You don't want to store anything. These are perfect. So as you can see, there's nothing. So if you're looking for an easy way to have detergent in your life, definitely Earthwash.